Hi, let's style the page. This is Rails 7 blog demo part 2 styling. Step 0, create a new branch. Let's type this command right here, git check out b style. Let's create a style. Okay, we are in this style now. Let's clear the console up. And step 2, go to the app views. Right, where is the view? App views. What else? Pages. Okay, and let's open home HTML, and let's copy this HTML code to this page right here. Okay, let's save it, run, and let's go to the about page right here. The about page, let's copy this. Okay, Control C, Control V, and Control S. Right, step 3, add bootstrap 5. Go to the CDN. I already have this link. You can go to the CDN and get the link now. Okay, go to the layout and application layout, and right behind here, let's paste this code right here, and let's save it. Yes, it's Control S. Okay, let's save it. Step 4, create a partial. Go to the layout. Okay, layout. Let's new file, and let's underline navbar dot html dot erb. Hit enter, and now paste all this file right there. Okay, Control C and Control V and Control S, and there you have it. Now let's go to the step 4. This change was already in this code. You can read it to understand all the information. Go to the application HTML right here in the application HTML and make this modification. Okay, I already has this. The modification is right here. I already have this. Okay, now the modification are right here. We are rendering the layout. Let's copy this right in the body, right before the yield. Okay, right here. Okay, now go to the yield, and let's make a main right here. Let's close the main right here. Main, let's indent right here, and another div, right, div. Okay, and let's class equal container. Okay, double quote. Okay, container right here. Okay, and let's close the div right here. Let's save it, and there you have it. Now step 6, go to the terminal, type some command, git command. Let's type git status git stat. Okay, git status. We have some add. Let's add this modification, git add -a. Right, let's clear the console up, and let's commit this style. Control C, Control V. Okay, let's commit it, right, for file change, and let's push to the git push, sorry, git push set upstream orange styling. Okay, let's hit enter and let's hope for the best. Okay, everything is fine. Now let's go to the git right here, and you see styling 3 seconds ago. Let's compare. And okay, now we are, let's create a pull request. Okay, open a pull request right here, create a right here, create a pull request. Okay, pull request was created. Let's request a pull request. Let's confirm the merge. Fine. Now everything is all right. Now let's delete this branch. Fine. And now everything is okay. Fine. Let's return to the Rails and see what we will do. Now goes back to the VS Code right here, clear the console app and type git branch dash dash list. We have two lists and we are in the styling. Let's go to the git checkout checkout master. Okay, so your branch is up to date. Let's go see if it is all right. Let's fetch. Okay, now let's see. Okay, the total update enumeration. Okay, let's fetch. Let's get status, get status git command status, sorry, git status, sorry. Okay, branch is behind two commits. Okay, let's make a git pull to synchronize with the remote, and there you have it. Now let's go to the Rails S to test the and see if everything is all right. Let's see, and there you have it. We have already the style, the home, about, home again, about, home. Okay, everything is working fine. And let's, here is the drop and nothing here, but there you have it. Now let's return to the page and let's see what else we have to do. Now upload to Heroku. Okay, let's Control C and let's clear the console app and let's update to the git to Heroku. Git push Heroku master. Okay, we are updating to the Heroku. Let's see if everything will be uploaded to the server on remote. Okay, let's clear the console app and let's call Heroku open. Let's see. Okay, here is the link. Let's follow the link. Yes, open it up, and there you have it. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Let's see. Heroku about. Okay, about page. Oh, hi, I'm J3. Okay, about here is everything working fine. Okay, and I think that is all. Let's see. Okay, that's all folks. In the next post, let's create a posters. And there you have it. Thank you very much for joining me here at J3 channel. I really do appreciate every friend, viewer, subscribe. Special to you. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.